welcome back to Soul Sisters. So this video is like wedding series video, and this is going to be episode 1, Wedding Tales. We are the groom squad.
Yes,
And
we are. You will see the videos in a clip. Okay, we'll get into the video. Right?
yeah,
So we'll get into the video.
Here we start a journey. We had been to get our RT-PCR test done.
As we were going out of state, we were going to Kerala. RT-PCR test was compulsory while coming from Kerala. And
Here I'm getting my RT-PCR done. We had asked a permission and it was not so hard or painful this time.
this was on Thursday and we got our result the next day.
On Saturday we had a breakfast. We had dosa and chutney, I guess.
Yes.
And then we left to Kerala, and thank God it wasn't raining. The
Previous day was raining heavily, it was pouring heavily.
Yeah, it was so bright and beautiful. So this is the nature of
Coorg, beauty of Coorg, sorry.
and obviously, as usual, we sat together. We were having orange as
We were getting vomiting sensation. And if you want to have any food or something while going through this route, like it's Perumbadi Iriti route, you can have it from either from Coorg Gate or the next one you'll get Lakeview Restaurant. അതിപ്പം വരും. ഫുഡ് നല്ല ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഞങ്ങൾക്കറിയില്ല.
we haven't been there.
So that was the Lakeview Restaurant. അങ്ങനെ
We reached Kerala. Iriti. This is exactly where?
കുട്ടുപുഴ.
Yeah, we had our breakfast from there.
Yeah.
Actually, a second breakfast. We ordered
Paratha and fish curry.
What fish was it?
I don't know what fish was it. And
Appam egg curry.
not appam, pattal.
Nahi pattal and egg curry. This is
We were trying to be perfect vloggers here.
so ഞങ്ങൾ വോമിറ്റ് ആക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായി and
വയറ് കാലിന് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആക്കിക്കൊണ്ടുള്ളത്.
parota was so hard to rip off. And yes, it was good.
It was yummy.
We had our breakfast and we left to Irti. Exactly, we are not at Irti yet.
Yeah, and the main we came to Iriti was for shopping.
Yeah.
And first we came to MS Gold and Diamonds. We had some ornament shoppings.
Yes, and the collections was good, right?
Very nice.
Yeah, as you can see.
The first floor is like only
Diamonds, the chains, bangles, etc.
And ground floor was mainly for these wedding shoppings, like wedding ornaments.
After that, we had an amazing lunch.
Next destination was for clothes shopping, and we came to Royal Wedding, which is also in Iriti.
And yes, the collection was not bad. We tried a dress, and
But
we didn't like it. And there were the whole collections, like in that single shop they had even wedding, sandals and bangles.
Every accessories, everything. It was all in one.
Yeah.
While returning, it was raining heavily, and this is Iriti Bridge.
The old one.
Yeah, the old one.
Old means it was constructed in 1928.
Yes.
And here we stopped for our
RT-PCR checking while entering to Kodagu. Like, that is while entering Karnataka.
they had checked for that notification.
Yeah, everything. Like, they asked each and everyone's test report, everything. And we stopped near to
Lakeview.
Yeah, Lakeview.
Returning to Coorg, we stopped at Lakeview. We clicked some pictures.
Yes, it was a very good stop. And yeah, we left from there.
We reached Virajpet. We had I had smoothie and
I had avil milk. And yeah, that's it for today's video.
we'll be uploading a wedding series. Stay tuned for more videos.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye.